Alright, today we are in the Philippines. Just don't ask what the blooper was. It was an accident and I didn't realize it. And my knees, I just fell. Anyways, this is my privacy sheet so that no one will get in my way. And that's my auntie. Wait. Setting it up. Alright, we're back. By the way, there's no seatbelts in back in the Philippines, so we're covered.
Hindi ka na babalik, doon na lang tayo kaya Tito Ori. No choice.
Nice.
Kasi bunting magayon na rin doon eh. No? Dami-dami na nga na natuli yun doon eh. At least alam mo ka. Ano, ito hindi mo kamisado eh.
And by the way, to take this off, it's gonna flash bomb me.
Mix, ano ba yan? Can you please close that one?
Okay, alright,
Oh my God.
alright, alright.
Oh, ayan ka na naman.
My mom told
Tama ba
me to
yun ang
stop it.
payong sa loob ng hair if you're
Sorry
recording?
guys, my mom was looking. And you don't care that I fell?
Ay nako, I care. So that's why I'm helping
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Oh my God.
Anyways, we're going back to get my iPad.
Renta nga.
Let's go. By the way, my city is not far. We're in Dasmariñas. And that's my city I'm
Ikaw ba naman?
staying.
Okay lang ba sa'yo magsasign ng waiver kung anong mangyari sa anak mo? Nasa Canada tayo. Hindi natin alam yun kung anong
Hindi kasi isip na kagano kasi pag nagka-problema.
Ayun nga, kasi daw marami daw kasing nangyayari na nagre-reklamo.
Ang concern ni Presi, bakit nagre-reklamo? Bakit may
Alright,
nagre-reklamo?
there's a lot of
Maraming
cars here, so I
nagre-reklamo.
should put this down because like, there's a lot of license plates, and I don't want to censor. And I don't want to censor them because like, I don't have YouTube editors or something, and I don't have CapCut on Apple.
Ano, wala kayong bayag na para ipagtanggol lang sarili nyo? Di ba? Parang
How's
ganun, di
y'all's
ba?
day going? Mine was pretty almost good. I almost had a
Parang bilos at saka isang klaseng kainin naman.
So that's why.
Oh, bilos na yung kinetotal bilos.
Bilos at saka ras, magkamukha lang pala ang tsura.
Magkamukha ba?
Nakakita ka na?
Oo. Di sa may pahon kasunod ko eh. Nasa unahan ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano na unang, baka unang lumabas yung bilos, tapos ras.
Wait, they also displayed it on the
kumukha lang.
front? Why? That is. By the way, we have a car that. Goofy stuff.
Tapos na kayo sa
Nag-post
It's
yan
goofy
si
stuff
si
here.
Len.
And this other side has not.
Sabi niya, mas gusto pa daw niyang sinasaktan siya na kaysa naman daw salitaan siya ng masasakit na salita ng asawa.
That is a
Sabi ganyan. Kasi siguro sinasabihan siya ni Harian. Siguro napupuno na rin si Harian dahil nga
Yeah, it's like a normal car.
nagtatrabaho siya. Wala man lang natatrabaho
And
sa
look at this.
bahay. Diba?
Fan.
Ano ba? Pagod na ako sa trabaho. Tapos siguro nagalit na itong isa. Di ba? Tama naman siya eh. Di ba? Hindi ko lang masabi. Baka may pagkukulang ka rin. Di ba? Ay, hindi na. Hindi na ako.
Pero
Ayoko mag-ano.
nag-ano naman pala sila.
Yeah, this is so cool, right? Alright,
Ate no.
Ano bang building?
we're back.
Parang para sabihin mga
School kaya
mga
yan?
pumayari niya, kondo yan.
Ako.
Mga pumayari.
Campus siguro yan. Campus. Mga lupa ng campus yung halera ng Presi.
Kaya nga yan.
We sing. They pay so 500.
Di ba sabi mo nung ano minsan siya, hindi na asawa niya.
Ganyan na. Siguro mag-realize. Tatlo na anak.
Just travel,
Tatamad eh.
walk it out. Haha, funny.
Sige, nakita mo yung difference.
Oh, I thought it was a real arcade.
Napakaayos.
Now in the upper. Yeah, by the way, I have 1,000 pesos and something, I think. And I can't count pesos.
Nalinis mo na nga yan. Kasi
Basta Sipag lang yung asawa
I'm just
ni Harry,
bored. I
naayos
don't know what to do.
Sila lang yung pinakamaano doon, press eh.
So that's why I recorded.
Wala talagang asenso kasi nga mga tamad na. Ano ba, gagayahin niyo yung buhay ng tatay niyo. Yayaman
Yeah.
din naman ako dyan. Eh, lang din yayaman kung di ka kikilos, di ba? Kasi nga talagang wala nang tutulong sa kanila. Tingnan mo, pagsipag talaga siya maghanap ng trabaho.
Kasi ayan lang naman ang mga...
Is this
ano,
good or
papasukan.
bad?
Oo, madami.
Say good or bad, or just
Yung asawa ni Harry,
anything
pwede
you
rin
would like to
mamasukan
say.
nila.
Ito ba nga
Total, hindi naman...
Alright, we're close to my location. Just a few minutes now. Oh my god, that truck jump scared me a bit. Low. This is called a Jeep. It's a Jeep.
Ayan nga, ika nga yun.
Yeah, so that's a Jeep, and the Jeeps are they're literally that size or this size,
Sabi ng ano, laka-laka
to be exact.
Bayan
And
tayo.
they're literally good for like it's like a bus, but it's low quality. Low. As you can see in my blooper video, you can see the whole bus for a moment, and then my mom told me to stop recording. So yeah.
Hindi gumano sila siyempre dahil pag ibang lahi sila kasi pinagkakita sila. Gusto sa nalilikurado na meron ko.
Anyways, let's go.
Kanila din daw yun, di ba sabi?
That is time
Sabi nga
travel.
rin nila,
Matalino.
bahay. Tapos yung isang
Oh, it's
papunta
time
kong
travel now.
ahente.
Oh.
Ano pala siya? Alam mo yung sabi balayin niya yung bahay na may mataas?
Yo, you're going the wrong way.
Tapat niya yung parang magandang bahay, parang...
Hardware yun, di ba? Sa
Hindi.
bagay.
Yung sa may bago
Tripped.
naman, yung dating may mga handaan, nakita natin parang kotse ni Valdecato siya nakaparado. Naalala mo na?
Yung mataas na yan.
Ang pala niya,
Uh-huh.
yung pala may-ari doon natin, naging vice mayor dito. Tapos yung anak niya, yun yung
I feel like a stick bug. Wait, am I?
Nandun sila sa kanila kasi sabi niya yung tatay kasi niya parang
Yes, I am. Alright, I just lowered down the brightness so like you can see
Ganda
what
na
I
kulay ng
see. And that is the perfect.
Parang madalang.
Let me do something.
Madalang yung kulay.
Yeah, this is good enough.
kasi lahat naman talaga ng
Wait.
kumakalapit yung mo nila, mapapatay nila yan.
Oh, we're close.
Talaga.
Right.
Anong tinanong ng tatay yan? Kumbaga hindi lang kapartido. Kasi di ba yung Remulla, usually government.
Anyway,
Baka parang
Yes.
siguro
Yun dito, yung mga kapartido.
partido siguro dito.
Oo. Kumbaga hindi kapartido, no?
just the line came. Did you know my family bought 3 houses, but only one remains, and it's rent, and someone is renting it. So yeah. Wow, that is relaxing. Literally. Anyways, I'm gonna pause until we get through. Oh wait, this is the wrong house. And wind the road. Okay, so I made it.
Mami na pumak natin.
Malayo, oh.
Hindi, yung dito, sa likod. Sa likod.
Sa likod. Masisi.
Alright.
Ano niya na warning. Okay, let's go. Go down.
Ah, rabies cat. Rabies.
Halika na, halika na.
No! Thank you. He has rabies. Like rabies kid in Daddy's world, which is Tudo. Part 2 coming soon. Bye.
tumamilin, sa ganito na yan.
Ano pa liling na lang ng ngipin?
Wala.
Ah, yay! Nagtutuloy ba sila dito?
But they don't do it. Oh, never. Constellation.
Kahapon ayaw